Oh boy, wet, heavy snow is blanketing the UP right now, with some places already reaching double digits. Meteorologist Audrey Pentecost from our sister station in Marquette shows us what folks up north are dealing with right now.
The first big blast of winter has hit the Upper Peninsula. While snow is not out of the question this time of year, the totals over the last 2 days have been impressive. Places inland like Berglund notched a foot on Monday as this latest system continued a slow and persistent burn across the region. Marquette saw mostly rain Monday night, but the transition to snow along with strong winds into Tuesday morning was impressive. Places further inland and higher elevations of Marquette County saw totals on Tuesday near a foot. The winds caused higher snowdrifts in places. Plows have been out and continue to treat the roads as the rest of us dig out. There is hope for the weekend as warmer temperatures could melt away some of the accumulation. In Negaunee Township, Audrey Pentecost reporting.
No, thank you. As my dad used to say, better thee than me. I am not interested in that. We are dealing definitely, though, with the wind, though, making it chilly outside, Chad.